Jeanette is 2 weeks from a left Jiffy Knee, total knee replacement, and about 10 years from a traditional, old school right total knee replacement.
Right.
So you're 2 weeks out. How has your recovery been?
It's been phenomenal. I feel remarkable compared especially to the traditional one.
So,
this has been amazing. I do my exercises every day. I haven't taken any pain medication for...
No pain medicine? How much pain medicine after surgery?
I took 1/2 of an oxycodone before my physical therapy, and then I took a half of an oxycodone before I went to bed the night I came home, and that's been it.
So 1 total pill after surgery completely.
Correct.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So compared this one versus this one, the recovery at 2 weeks, if you can remember 10 years ago, how has it been?
Oh, it's just unbelievable. This would probably be, I don't know, a lot longer. And I was a lot slower, but I've been, like I said, I've been doing all my exercises that they've given me at physical therapy, but yeah, it's just remarkable.
Great. And so I see a walker in here, but I'm assuming that's just because you came from the outside, right? Because I saw you walk earlier, you're not using a walker.
My kids make me use
Your
it
kids
because
make you use
they're
it.
afraid I'll fall or something, but I'm
So
doing
straighten that knee out for us. Wow.
Yeah.
Bend it for us.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
No pain. It's...
Yeah. Let's see you stand up. How do you stand up? Look at that. No hands.
No.
Already.
Yeah.
Great.
I
So
feel great.
pretty happy with it.
Thrilled.
Would do it again.
Oh, absolutely.
So
Absolutely.
did it take you 10 years to get this one done because of the experience with the old one? It was
Pretty
just so
much.
hard.
I kept putting it off and putting it off and putting it off. But had I any idea that it would go this great, I would have had it done years ago.
Wonderful, wonderful. We're so glad you're doing well. We're so glad you chose us.
Me too.
Thanks, Jeanette.
You were great.
Thank
you.